Little bird, what do you see? A picture perfect scene. Two-tone lawns are manicured. The garden's wearing a haute couture. It's hiding something. It's trying too hard, hiding something. It's trying too hard. Little bird, how are you feeling? Like helping quarantine. Pearly whites, touchdown smile. Absent creases around the eyes. Telltale, hard tell. We smell rats in the kitchen. A telltale, hard tell. We smell rats in the kitchen. Little bird, what can we do? A think tank, think rescue. Simon says that you're scared. Some encoded message only he would get. Quickly now, 'cause this is not how it ends. Little bird, little bird, little bird, little bird. Well, I've got one more question, and I swear I'll let it rest. Well, I've got, I swear I'll little bird, little bird, little bird. Well, I've just one more question, and I swear I'll let it rest. One more question. Little bird, where have you